So Ralph, I've been around Reiki and I've learned quite a bit in the past year, but still somewhat new to it. And we'd like to hear from someone of your knowledge and experience. What is Reiki?
Well, Reiki is a Japanese term, meaning universal life force energy. And the healing modality that uses that name, Reiki, is a type of hands-on healing, or can be off the body as well, that works on balancing a person's energy system. You know, we're all vibrational, and a Reiki practitioner is attuned to certain vibrations they can offer the person who's on the receiving end that will harmonize and balance out the body's energy system. And therefore, it can better ward off disease and recover from issues or relieve pain, stress, that sort of thing. So I've worked with people with a lot of different issues, from mental health issues to cancer, and even during childbirth. And so Reiki can be very effective in all those areas.